Good day, class. So now we're going to talk about the operations on functions. Okay, so on the operations on functions, we have four different operations: the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, and the division. Okay, so let's proceed with one. So for the addition, so for example, we have the given function f of x is equal to x and g of x is equal to x minus 1. So an example for the addition is this. So f plus g of x. How do we find this one? So we just have to separate them. So this is f of x plus g of x, which is equal to. So for this one, we have to substitute the value of the function. So for f of x, this is equal to x. And for g of x, this is equal to x minus 1. So f of x will be x plus g of x will be x minus 1. So simplify it, we will have 2x minus 1. Okay, so this is f plus g of x is equal to 2x minus 1. Okay, next, let's find the f minus g of x. So for the subtraction, so f minus g of x, again, let's separate them. This is also equal to f of x minus g of x. So let's substitute the functions. So f of x will be x minus, let's add the quantity. So g of x will be x minus 1, right? This is equal to x, and then the signs inside the parentheses will be interchanged. So x will be negative x, and negative 1 will be positive 1. So why did it change? It's because of the negative sign here. So let's simplify x minus x plus 1. So this will be 1. So the answer for f minus g of x is 1. Understood? Okay. Next, let's get the multiplication of the functions f of x and g of x. Okay. So for the multiplication, so this will be f times g of x. Oh, sorry. So this is fg of x is equal to, again, let's separate them, f of x times g of x. So we have here x times x minus 1. So let's distribute x. So x will be, x times x will be x squared. Then x times negative 1 is negative x. So fg of x is x squared minus x. Okay. And lastly, let's find the quotient or the division. Let's perform the division on these functions. Okay. So let's say we have to find the f over g of x. So for this one, let's separate them again. So this is f of x over g of x, which is equal to, substitute. So this is x over x minus 1. Okay, so the final answer here is that f over g of x is equal to x over x minus 1. Okay. So let's proceed with another example for the operations and functions. So let's say we have f of x is equal to um, let's say this is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 3. This is 4. Okay. And g of x is equal to x minus 1. Okay. So now we have to find first the addition. So f plus g x. So for this, again, we have to separate them to get for us to substitute. Okay. So f of x plus g of x. This is equivalent to x squared minus 4x plus 3 plus x minus 1. So simplify, combine the like terms. This is x squared. Then negative 4x plus x is negative 3x. And positive 3 minus 1 is positive 2. So f plus g of x is x squared minus 3x plus 2. Okay, understood? Okay, so next is we're going to find the subtraction, but this time let's find the g minus f of x. So last time we tried to solve f minus g of x, but this time let's try to solve g minus f of x. So again, for this one, you have to separate them. So g of x minus f of x. So substitute the functions. So g of x is x minus 1 minus the function f of x, which is x squared minus 4x plus 3. So this is equal to x minus 1. Then the one inside the parentheses will change signs. So x squared will be negative x squared. Negative 4x will be positive 4x. And positive 3 will be negative 3. Okay. Then after this, we combine the like terms. So let's start with the highest degree or highest exponent. So this is negative x squared. It doesn't have any like terms. Next is x plus 4x is 5x. So positive 5x. And next for that is negative 1 minus 3 is negative 4. Okay, so this is it. So g minus f of x is negative x squared plus 5x minus 4. Okay. Next. So we're going to find the multiplication of the functions f and g. So fg of x is also equal to gf of x, all right? Since they are just the multiplication of each other, you can change the possession, okay? So this is also equal to g of x times f of x, which is equal to x minus 1, x squared minus 4x plus 3. Okay, we just substituted the functions to our equation. So this one we're gonna use the FOIL method again. So x times negative, I mean x times x squared is x cubed. Okay. Next, x times negative 4x is negative 4x squared. Okay. And next, x again times positive 3 is positive 3x. Now x is done. Let's proceed with negative 1. So negative 1 times x squared is negative x squared. Oops. Negative x squared. Okay. So negative 1. Oops. Negative 1 times negative 4x. Oh no, what happened? Oh, I have to start again. Start over. Okay. So if x is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 3, and g of x is equal to x minus 1. So again, fg of x is also equal to gf of x. It's also equal to gx times f of x equal to x minus 1 times x squared minus 4x plus 3. Okay, so x times x squared is x cubed. Next, x times negative 4x is negative 4x squared. And then x times positive 3 is positive 3x. Then x is done. Let's proceed with negative 1. So negative 1 times x squared. This is negative x squared. Next, negative 1 times negative 4x is positive 4x. And then negative 1 times positive 3 is negative 3. So simplify this, we will have x cubed, then negative 4x squared minus x squared is negative 5x squared. Then positive 3x plus 4x is 7x. So plus 7x, then minus 3. So this is fg of x. Understood? Fg of x is equal to x cubed minus 5x squared plus 7x minus 3. Alright. Next, let's find the division. Okay. Again, in the division, order matters. So, for example, f over g of x is not equal to g over f of x. Alright. So let's try getting the f of g of x. So this is equal to f of x over g of x, which is also equal to, when we substitute it, x squared minus 4x plus 3 all over x minus 1. So for this one, if we encounter these types of questions, we have to note that we have to get the factor. So for this one, the factor of x squared minus 4x plus 3 is x minus 1 times x minus 3. Alright? Okay, let's check siya. So, I mean kung equal sila. So x minus 1 times x minus 3. We use the FOIL method. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. Negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 times negative 3 is positive 3. So we have here x squared minus 4x plus 3. So this is the same as the one above. Okay, let's just erase this. So we have here the function, the factor of the numerator. So quantity x minus 1 times the quantity x minus 3 all over, oops, all over x minus 1. Okay, so as we can see here, x minus 1 exists both in the numerator and the denominator, so we can cancel it. Okay, so what's left here is x minus 3, right? So answer for f over g of x is x minus 3. So I guess that's it for the operations and functions. Thank you.